Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mahmoud Rubel, and in this 1 hour workday review, I'm gonna share with you all the things you need to know about 1 hour workday. So, first of all, I'm gonna share with you what is it and the demo of this 1 hour workday app, so you can see what can do for you. So what is it? It is a 5K per month online for beginners by working only 1 hour per day with the most effective and specific set of tasks that gets you result and help you got not distracted and shiny objects, social media information overloaded. So if you buy this course, you will get two things: a course and a cloud-based software. The course shows you make 5K per month working only 1 hour, and you also get 10 successful online entrepreneurs. They share with you valuable inputs, and it is added them as a part of the product. So you can also get a software that dives traffic to your website and makes sales and complete autopilots. So here I'm at inside 1 hour workday. So here you can do is you can create content automatically. So here is the content part. So as you can see, you can create a get content here, and you need to put a YouTube URL, and it automatically create a content. So let me show you how it works. So just go YouTube and find a video that you like. So let's say this video. Okay, click here, share, and click copy and go to 1 hour workday app. Okay, so paste it here and go. So this video does not have, okay, it is a new video, that's why it's don't create. So I need to find.
Have you ever read?
As you can see, it automatically pull out a content from YouTube. So you just copy content here or save it later. So you can copy content and post it in your blog or save it later. So after saving it later, content created successfully. So you need to set up blog. You can set up here and it action. Okay, so after set up a block, you can automatically push this your block after creating content. It also have a course how you can do that. So you can find after you buying this. So this work you can do also manually. So what you need to do is go to open transcript, and you can find YouTube video transcript that they pull out. So it is easy. So if you want to do extra work, so and then it's good for you. So you don't need to the software, so you can just copy this and post it in your blog. So anyway, so if you want to buy this, so if you want to buy this, so I have some exclusive bonuses for you. So number one bonus, how to create a six-figure membership. Membership sites are the best way to make monthly or yearly income, just like make salaries. But with membership site, we make salaries without a day job. This will show you how you can build your six-figure membership site. And number two bonus is 100 products with resale rights. So you are going to have 100 products with resell rights and giveaway rights, so which means you can either sell them or resell them. So number three bonus is agency business with him. So it is a consulting finance business agency WordPress team made for the huge variety of design and web projects. It is perfect for building business and corporate website for any purpose. So and number four is Amazon auto search plugin. Number five, automatic legal page creator. And number six, auto risk profit plugin. And number seven, this is important, 2.9 million free visitors from others content. So this is very good case study. So and then make money as a better tester. Selling online is not only way to make money online, there are unique ways to enjoy your times and make living enjoying life. So one of the ways to make money is a better testing other people's products. I'm going to share 9 best ways to become a better tester and get paid to play games and apps. Number 9, digital product business blueprint. So you will get the 56-page super comprehensive PDF report on how to sell digital products online, digital products that you can sell online. So number 10, template. Top affiliate don't work hard, they work smart, and smart and fast work make 5,000 to 10,000 dollars a day. They use templates in all their work and churn out money making videos in just few minutes. So I'll give you one of those templates that you can use to create money making products review videos just 30 minutes. Bonus number 11, million view in 10 minutes work. So I'll share a unique how 10 minute or less guarantee 1,000 or 3,000 visitors per month 100% for free. And number 12, question how to generate 300k unique visitor. And number 3, buyer traffic masterclass. So we'll show you a simple 4-step formula to get 100 affiliate or direct buyer traffic. So if you interested to buy this, go to this page, link in the description below. So you can go and click any link and you can bring up this page, and you need to click any of those button to secure your app. So click here, get your copy. So 1 hour workday funnel. So front end $1 and then OTO 1 and then OTO 2. So upgrade 1, it is a task management software that we wish to manage a team of only 10 people. So upgrade to task killer unlimited, and upgrade 3, agency license, upgrade reseller license, customer get guarantee approved to promote 1 hour work, 100% commission on the front end. Upgrade 5, gold miners class, upgrade 6, white level rights. So this product is created by Moshberry. So 1 hour workday. So it launched in 5 September 2020. So that's for you guys. So I hope it helped you. So I think you can create this kind of content without this software. Just go to YouTube and find a video and just click 3 dot and open transcript, and you can find this content, and you can push this on your blog. So it is not a duplicate content. It is a very unique content. So if you want to extra work, you don't need to buy software, but if you automatically do all the things, and you want to Moshberry course that is very good, so you can buy this course. So that is for my view of this course. So I just say my truth. So I say all the things on honest. So thank you so much watching this video. So if you want to buy this product, please buy from my link in the description. So if you If you go to description and click here, you can go this page and you can buy any of this link. Click here to secure your copy bonuses. So thank you so much.